So, had some bad storms last night. Woke up this morning and my neighbor said that the tree is down. So, here's the shed. That's the tree. That's where the top of the tree used to be. That's where the top of the tree is now. It went that way instead. Oh man. That could have been a huge disaster. God, that is a big tree. It was a big tree. Uh-oh. There's a car there. But I already spoke to the neighbor, and he's cool. He looks at this as, hey, we got plenty of firewood now. And wow, ain't that the truth? Maybe we can make some coffee tables or something. I don't know, we'll see. We can make a lot of coffee tables. That poor car. Do you know how many guitars we can make out of that? You know what? Oh my gosh, we can make a bunch of guitars. I actually have a really good friend named Russ that can actually turn trees into usable planks of wood, so he actually has a YouTube channel too. Buggadoo! Check him out, woodworking channel. Here's the front of the shed. This is where the top of the tree used to be. That's where the top of the tree is now. This is the current video I'm working on for you guys that almost didn't happen. I promise, it's still coming out this weekend. That is just, it's huge. Can't believe I am so thankful that it didn't take out our shed. Shed is still intact for now. My wife just reminded me that it's the summer solstice today. So careful when the summer solstice comes because anything can happen. Anything. So anyway, everything's good. We're good. Shed's good. Channel's good. Just thought I'd share that early morning drama with you. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you this weekend, all right?